Hello everyone, thank you for sending me wonderful feedback after trying recipes that I shared here in my channel. This time, I am making sweet and spicy Korean style beef. I start by pre-mixing the gravy. In a bowl, I combine dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, water, cornstarch, coarse black pepper, sesame oil, brown sugar and chili flake. I stir until well combined and I set it aside. Then I heat oil and I fry until fragrant garlic and ginger paste. If you don't have ginger paste, don't worry, you can also use some finely chopped ginger. Then I add in ground beef and I stir fry on medium heat until beef starts to brown. I add in the pre-mixed gravy, stir until well combined and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. My friend who is Korean taught me this recipe and I have been making it often since then. Do add some salt if needed, and once gravy starts to thicken, turn off the heat. This beef is really nice with a bowl of rice. Before serving, I also top it with some spring onion and white sesame seed.